To diagnose the C1241 code, first use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code is present in the vehicle's system. Next, measure the battery voltage at idle, which should be at least 12.6 volts, and under load around 14 volts to ensure proper electrical health. Inspect the battery for parasitic drains, which can cause voltage irregularities and trigger the C1241 code. Test the alternator output for proper voltage production and check for continuity in the wiring harness connecting the battery to the ABS VSC ECU using a multimeter. Repair often begins with cleaning the battery terminals and ensuring all connections are tight to eliminate voltage drops. If the battery is over 3 years old, consider replacing it to provide stable voltage to the system. If the alternator is faulty, replacement is usually necessary, costing approximately $300 to $500. In some cases, software resets using Toyota TechStream can clear intermittent codes without hardware replacement. While rare, a faulty ABS VSC module may require replacement, costing over $1,000. Regularly checking battery health and addressing electrical issues early can prevent the C1241 code and ensure optimal vehicle performance.